We're live. Yo, who's revving their car outside my warehouse right now? DoorDasher's revving his car outside? I'm about to do him dirt, bro. This guy's never gonna DoorDash again after the tip we give to him. His name's Enoch. Enoch is his name? Yeah. That boy Enoch. Yo. What is going on, guys? Yeah, I know. That's at Trevor's desk. What is going on, everybody? What the hell is going on? We can't hear you? Yes, you can, bro. Yes, you fucking can. Stop rage baiting, bro. You can hear me, bro. Hear me, bro. Guys, hit the like. Yo, everybody hit the like button. Everybody go ahead and hit the like button. Before we start, go ahead and hit the like button for good luck on the stream, bro, so we could fucking really bank today, bro. Let's really bank today. Yeah, we got no option but to bank today, bro. You're on the computer mic? No, I'm not, bro. No, I'm not. I'm actually not. Yeah, I'm not, bro. The mic sounds good. Why are you guys rage baiting, bro? The stream start, bro. We're 2 minutes into the stream. You guys are rage baiting, bro. What are we doing here? Can y'all hear him, bro? Ain't no way, right? Can you guys hear me? You guys can hear me, bro. Yo, stop, bro. Can we stop? Can we not rage bait right now, bro? Come on. My God, that's a big ass bag. What did you get?
Bro, for me, you and Raul.
God damn. We're eating good today.
We shouldn't be.
What the fuck, bro? Yo, bro, no shot this guy Hollywood Cole is back, bro. I made a clown out of you last time, bro. Please don't come back, bro. Yo, we're not off to a good start, bro. We're not off to a good start. You guys are already rage baiting me. We're not even 5 minutes into the stream, bro. I've been rage baited 5 times. What would you rate both the limits? Hold on, bro. Let me pull out my Chicky and Pete's. Oh my God, yo, look at this. Damn, I know some of y'all hungry as fuck looking at this right now. Okay, let me explain to you guys the limits, all right? Rage bait counter on the stream? Okay, yeah. All right, bet. Anyways, so let me explain to you guys these limits, all right? So the first limit right here is me assuming that price isn't going to properly manipulate this low right here, right? Because as you guys can see, we don't have any sort of proper manipulation here at the low, but we have a lot of bullish order flow, like a lot of bullish order flow. So this first limit here is based off of this 1 hour fair value gap CE, 15-minute fair value gap, and 5-minute fair value gap, and a 1-minute fair value gap. So every single time frame is lining up right here at this level. And I have this limit here at the 39 area because I'm assuming that this low is going to stay intact, not manipulated, and the bullish order flow is going to continue and send us up, continue sending us up, right? So that's this first limit. This one is a little bit risky. This one here is a B plus setup. It's a B plus setup, okay? And the only reason it's a B plus setup, again, it's because the higher time frame doesn't really fully correlate, okay? The second setup that I have here, okay, the second setup that I have here is going to be the 89 limit. And this is from the 4 hour fair value gap, right? This is the 4 hour fair value gap CE. And I like this one a little bit more because then we do properly manipulate this daily. But on the offhand, this one is like a fresh limit literally as soon as this daily goes red. Boom, right away. So it's a little bit risky. Both of these are a little bit risky. Both of them I would rate B+. There really is no A+ entry here just yet, but I mean, also the stream just started, so we might see something later on. But this is what I'm seeing here right now. Can you grab me water, bro? This is what I'm seeing here right now, guys. We do have some SMT to the upside. You don't think there is? I loaded that fridge up. Like, I loaded it up. So there is?
Yeah.
But, no. Oh, look at my lil bro trading. Bro, what? No, that wasn't even, I didn't even get rage baited for real. I'm gonna sell from 585, hoping hits your limit. Yeah, you should be straight, bro. I mean, this thing is dumping like pretty aggressively right now. Up here, there wasn't really like too much for me to enter off of. I was eyeing up this 1 hour fair value gap, but this 1 hour fair value gap is gonna get closed through at this point, which is why I do like my buy limits, because I'm expecting this 1 hour fair value gap to get closed through to the upside. We don't really have much on the 4 hour. We have this 4 hour fair value gap here, which already did put in a new low right here, right? This candle hit it, and it did in fact go and deliver a new low, as you guys see there. So because it already delivered a new low, I'm expecting this to now also get inversed. Will it do it here on this candle? I'm not sure, but at some point that's going to inverse, and I'm basically playing into that. Okay. So that's what's basically supporting my upside thesis. Make sure you guys remember that's at 7 minutes. At about 7 minutes, I explained my thesis for the people that joined late in the stream. Used to show the P&L winner loss. Now, bro, I'm showing this chat, bro. I use what you guys tell me, and then I go based off of that. People told me put the fucking chat in, so I put the chat in. I can't put it. Where do you want me to put up the P&L? Where possibly can I put the P&L up on the screen, bro? Please tell me. That's not even rage bait. I feel like the dude's like genuinely like, maybe he's, I don't think he's trying to rage bait. He might actually be like trying to be genuine. Bro, you know you can see my, yo, Hollywood Cole, you know you could see my P&L when I enter the trade right here on the screen, right? Did you know that? Were you aware of that fact in particular, that as soon as I enter the trade, you guys can see the fluctuating P&L, the dollar amount P&L? You guys can see that. What do you think of FOMC yesterday? It was essentially exactly how I predicted it, but we just didn't really get any entry, so kind of whack. I'm not gonna lie. These are stupid stale, bro. Aren't they? This fucking DoorDash guy. Yo, we need the OG DoorDash guy back, bro.
Nah, bro. I don't want him coming.
Streamer Source needs to show some love for F97s. Bro, it's just the fact that nobody has them, bro. So, like, it'd be kind of stupid for us to stock F97 stuff. I mean, we can get you F97 stuff. It'd just take a while because it's not something we would ever keep in stock. What's that 489? 4 hour fair value gap CE, guys. 4 hour fair value gap CE. You watch the new Demon Slayer movie? What the hell is Demon Slayer? Yo, stop coming into my fucking chat and asking me where Shinobi is, bro. I don't know where he went. He just dipped. I don't know. 613. Ali, that's a bearish level though, gang. That's a bearish level. And I'm bullish, so I wouldn't really like be the biggest fan of shorting. So like before I even look at it, I'm gonna tell you the level's kind of buns. Nah, Hollywood Cole, yo, Hollywood Cole, I appreciate that. But this one, I'll show you right now. I'm on my Apexes, and these accounts are almost $10,000 in profit. So this isn't like a fresh start or anything of that sort. So that's why like there's no point to me showing my P&L because these are different accounts. My TPTs I do trade in front of you guys, but I'm not trading my TPTs right now. I'm trying to fucking lock this Apex payout in. So. I don't know, bro.
They're not.
They're not only because they're stale, bro.
Mine are a little...
Mine are dead stale. It's not even funny. Mm-mm. No, it's the same. Yeah, I'm literally the same. Is the green car a wrap? No, what's no, it's Plasti Dip. It's not a wrap. It's a Plasti Dip. AC at warehouse? Yeah, AC works, bro. What's the limits today? Guys, I explained these limits at right before 7 minutes in the stream. I'll explain it one more time. The upper limit is a 1 hour fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, and 1 minute fair value gap. And the lower limit is a 4 hour fair value gap CE. What makes the first FVG more reliable than the two below it? Well, because this is the FVG where I have my my levels. Where's your entry for 4 hours CE? It's 489. 489 with a 10-point stop, and then I have my upper limit at 539 with a 10-point stop, guys. 539 and 489. GM, bro. AC works, but over 200 people's like button must be broken. Yeah, bro. What's going on? Everybody give the stream a like. Everybody drop a like on the stream so we can be, we could, start the stream off with some good luck likes.
Still gotta give.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go green for the day and then. Supposed to make 5. Look in the back.
What's the rage bait counter about? I got rage baited 5 times 2 minutes into being on the stream, bro. So people asked me to put a rage bait counter up. Why aren't you taking 527? I need this upper gap, bro. If the upper gap doesn't bounce, the lower ones aren't going to deliver a reversal of any sort. 489 is weird. I don't see. 4 hour, bro. 4 hour. You should see a 4 hour FVG there.
Have to check.
Currently in a short on gold. I don't know. I haven't even looked at the gold chart. Is that your car behind you, bro? Yes, it is. Which TPT updated your number training days faster? It'll be at like midnight, I think it'll update. It'll update around midnight. Right around midnight. By the way, I'm actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take these on my TPTs as well. My 2 TPTs that are like very close to payout, right past the buffer, I'm going to be taking these on that as well. For everybody, by the way, that's been following their TPT accounts with the stream with me here, you guys should all be well past the buffer. Every single one of you guys should be past the buffer right now on your TPT accounts. All the accounts are sitting at about 53,000. No, you could get the it's 80-10 split. So I'm gonna request that like about 9K. Two. If you haven't already, you can use code key to get your TPT accounts right now. I think until the end of the month. Before the month is over, the sale will be done. It's 40% off, no activation fee right now. It's a few days, bro. It's a few days for Apex. Just saw your past interview yesterday out here on YouTube. Damn, bro is a millionaire. Did that surprise you? Do I not look like the average millionaire or something? TPT account are 150 away from drawdown. Bro, I guarantee you, you probably traded either you either overtraded today, or you traded either Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Be honest with yourself, JVI. How can I learn to trade like you? Right here, bro. The streams. If you guys, bro, I'm telling you guys, if you guys watch the streams every day and like try to absorb the information that I give you guys here in the streams, I promise you, it'll completely change the way you trade. Don't see 489 on Top Step X. I don't know, bro. Top Step's kind of ass, so that's probably why. Switch to TPT or Apex, man, or Alpha. Do you have vibes today? Are we gonna bank? Yes, bro. We are gonna bank. I have good vibes here today. We are gonna bank. Trust. Bro, these fries are so ass. I'm only eating these because I'm like somewhat hungry, but they're so fucking ass.
No, we'll just get something else.
Let's go to RH.
Tonight?
Mm-hmm.
What time they open till?
Wait. Yeah. You down? If we bank, let's go to RH.
If we bank, we break even or like.
$500 is good.
Oh no, for me it's good. I have 20 accounts. 500.
500 is fire. What about that daily RBCE? Why not long there? This, I mean, it's got a ways to go, but if it gets there, yeah, sure. But that's got a long fucking way to go. You see that shit, bro? Got a long ass way to go, bro. We don't have to worry about that shit for a while. Let me remove the rage bait counter so people stop rage baiting me. Are you part-time in the National Guard, like doing? Yes, I am. Yep, exactly. Hello, my good. Yo, Blasky. Hello, Blasky. Your channel was recommended to me by a friend of mine. May I ask what's the RR and win rate? Average RR between 6 to 10 R, and win rate this month so far we're at, what was it, 37%? 37%, almost 40%. Actually, it would have been 40% if you didn't bullshit those fucking trades. It would have been over 40%, but
like 45%.
It's give or take. This for this month right now we're at about 45%.
I probably would have been even. There's a hella trades.
No, it's not even that. No, it's not even that. It's you traded the fucking days that I didn't trade just now, so you cooked it.
Yeah, but we also baked that one day.
Oh? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Ego.
2.2 across 20 accounts.
No, yeah, that was fire.
I was livid.
Yeah, but
was caught up in a fetal position. Discord clip and everything.
You go to a VIP group? Yep. It's the first link in the description.
Look, somebody said, did you see T?
My strategy has 1 to 2 R with a 73% win rate. That's what I used to have. That's what I previously had. And then now this model is lower win rate but much higher RR. And less risk. What are you eating? Chicky and Pete's, bro. Nah, he just pulled up. On him. That's mad funny, bro. What confluence on 489? 489 is a 4-hour gap, bro. Can you explain why you don't like TopStep and if you recommend any other websites for funded accounts? TopStep, the platform is actual dog shit. They locked people out of the accounts. I believe it was yesterday. So, and that's like a common occurrence for TopStep X. So the platform itself is just really buggy. If they fix the platform and it stops being super buggy, it's a good firm. But if you're looking for a direct TopStep X alternative or TopStep alternative that's like very similar rules and a different firm with not a buggy platform, Alpha Futures is probably the best one. And then obviously if you're open to using Tradeovate and TradingView, personally I think that TPT and Apex are the best ones. Yo.
What's up, Keith?
Up.
Good.
Got something for me or no?
Mounting screws and a stud, buddy.
So we checked out my fund of futures. I have. I don't actively use them though. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think the other firms have like better prices and things like that, bro. To be honest. Yo, bro, this low key, like, we gotta just throw this away. This is so buns, bro. Close it. Why you gotta just open sitting there, bro? Yo, do you do this at your house too? You just like leave shit open? You don't do it. So you don't do it at your house, but you do it at my warehouse? Now? Bro, you were done with those. There you go. Fucking, let's get. Yo, bro, no shot, Subby.
I just finished.
Yo, Subby, you're not a real human being.
Yo, sandwich or been thrown away.
Alright.
Dude, that's what
Come on, bro. E-flow plus psychic. Physic. Physic 2 midterm equals goated. Does TPT show you anything like win rate? Don't see anything. How some other firms show your performance breakdowns. You can see the performance breakdowns in Tradeovate, guys. You guys know that? In Tradeovate, you guys can see them. I love Trader. Yeah. Tradeovate's fire, bro. You don't need the firm's like dashboard, bro. Key flex for us, bro. You're weird. What are you talking about, bro?
look at that video.
Like, what crib?
Bro.
What about it?
Bro, probably in there, bro. Terrible.
Bro, you're doing the same shit.
No. Bro, this is nothing.
Oh, that's nothing?
Bro,
that shit bothers me, bro.
No. I don't blame you.
Hey, big bro. Hey, big bro. What's the story behind this trade you got set up? I explained this trade at about six minutes in the stream. First trade is a 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute fair value gap. And the lower is a 4 hour fair value gap CE right here. So there's the 4 hour fair value gap right here on the lower limit. And upstairs we have the 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute. Okay. 1 out of 5 point stop since this is Asia session. This one, I might move it up a little bit. It won't be 5 points. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move it there instead. Actually, wait, I didn't do shit. 32 is where I want to move it. Hold on. Have you move your stop loss? 32. So it just so it covers this fair value gap here. So 7 point stop loss here. 7 point stop loss. One other one's lower in the discount zone, because my theory here again is that if we dip under this fair value gap, that this is just going to go and expand lower and flip this daily green to red. Simple. So because I don't want this to flip green to red, at first at least, I would be anticipating a bounce from here to go higher. This is 39, the buy limit is 39, and the stop loss is 32. We have 4 total fair value gaps here, guys, by the way. We're in the first one. The first one's right here. You guys see it? This is the first one. We're in it right now. What is this? What is this? Why do I have this here? The 1 hour gap. Yeah, this can fuck off. This is the first gap. We're in it right now. The second gap, this is where I'm looking for my entry, and then I would like for these two to be just be breakaways. Yes, I'm only gonna trade one micro. Or sorry, one mini. Yeah, I'm only gonna trade one mini. Yep. RR, so the first trade, let's map it out. It's not like you guys can do this yourself or anything, you know, but I'll do it. For the first trade, RR targeting the daily high would be a 7.6 R. I'm going to be targeting the all-time high level here, which would be a 16.6 R. From the lower level, lower level to the daily high is exactly a 10 R, and to the all-time high level it is a 15.8 R. Yeah. How'd you get free Top Step accounts? They just emailed me one day and said that we just added 4 credits. I was like, okay, cool. What time does Asia open? At 8 p.m. Eastern. 8 p.m. is the Asia session start. Maybe redundant, but do you enter sell trade scalps on the way down? Not really, because I try to keep my trade frequency kind of low, right? Relatively low. And that's why you know, even if I have a bias for this thing to go lower and then higher, I wouldn't short this, right? Because that's not my plan. That's not within my plan to short this thing, right? Because there's no guarantee, right? There's no guarantee in the stock market. So there's no guarantee that this is absolutely going to go and hit my limit and then go higher. In fact, it could just go higher from here, right? There's nothing here to support that it's just going to, you know, it's absolutely 100% going to continue lower. It could just bounce from this first fair value gap. It absolutely could. So for that reason, I do not want to take the short going down into that area. Do you think these trades will happen this stream? I do think they'll happen this stream. Yeah, I would hope so. I would hope so. Yeah, this thing is bouncing right now off that first fair value gap. This is what we call, by the way, guys. This is not just an unimportant fair value gap. This is a pretty important fair value gap. Only thing I didn't have any levels inside of here. But this fair value gap is what we call a structural gap. And that's the fair value gap that gets created after a high gets broken. So this high right here, you guys see, got broken. And this gap was created as soon as that high was broken. So this is called a structural gap. This is an important fair value gap. So if you have a range that, you know, looks like this, the gap that gets created after this high gets broken, right, is a structural fair value gap. In fact, the structural fair value gap is putting in copious amounts of work. Damn, this is what you were talking about. Yep, that is exactly what I was talking about. Literally, bro, as I say it, it happens. You see what I'm saying, Scott? This is why I don't take trades that are not aligned with my trading plan. Whatever is not aligned with my trading plan, it does not fucking concern me at all whatsoever. You get what I'm saying? Does not concern me at all. What a pump here. What a pump for the ages. Not really, bro. New high just got made here, guys. Not really. It's not doing jack. It's just pumping. Probably just gonna go up into all-time highs, bro. That's where this thing is going. It's going back up into all-time highs.
Low key. You know what's been working when it's just been doing this? The next tiny ass 5 minute, go on the 5 minute. Next tiny ass 5 minute leg you see to the upside that following the trend, literally just take the OT. Try it.
No,
Like look
I'm
on this
probably not
this
going
leg
to.
here, boom boom, or not this one. Go to the 5 minute. Look, draw the like if you take the OT of this probably.
This OT did not hit.
Yeah,
Like,
but
I
that's
already
the
know it
smallest
didn't.
leg. Go back during the daytime.
This is during the daytime game.
Take the downside here. OT. The OT. No, not all the way down. To here.
Yeah, that's where it's down to.
That's
Can't
a
line it
two.
up with anything.
Yeah, it's not lining it up. You just straight take the OT when it's just direction.
There's 3 levels for OT.
This is what we use.
This is what we usually take.
That zone.
So both of these are 10 points apart. And
Okay,
then
below 10
this
points,
this
then these are 10
entry
points.
to the stop loss is almost 10 points.
Yeah,
You
but
would
that's during New York session during FOMC. I'm saying overall, check in the overnight session. I'm telling you, it'll hit. Yo, SSK, fuck you.
There's like the 0 5-minute legs here. 0 5-minute legs here. This did not hit OT. This
Take it from midnight down to there.
This is not one leg though. So now you're completely switching it
that's
up.
literally you can consider this a leg. You consider that a leg.
This is a leg right here.
That's
this is one leg.
All right, and then look where it hit. Blinkers. I'm pretty sure I took that exact setup. Charlie O.
What?
Patience, brother.
Guy,
Charlie
bro.
OT from here. Honestly, I wouldn't have even jumped.
Yeah,
That's
this
too
is
big of a
this,
wick. I
that's,
would have
that's
just looked to
dog
take the
shit.
rejection off.
That shit would have failed anyways.
Bend over, bro.
All right, do you want to see your way away from me?
No, I came to grab.
What?
You know exactly what it is.
No.
I honestly think you have it.
No.
Right
do not,
there.
Do not.
Matter of fact. So, bro.
If they don't, do you close them or wait / sleep through them? I'll usually sleep through them. These ones I could sleep through because these are actually pretty good. I like these, but it depends on how this looks when I get off. Like around midnight. It depends
like
on
your
how
hair's
this looks.
fake.
What are you doing, bro? Stop.
Looks like
I know.
Look at the camera.
Stop doing that.
All right, bro. Then just give me what I came here for. Why is your camera like this? You need some light, bro.
Yeah, I don't have any gang.
Oh, well, lucky for you.
Did I set and forget it's 2 a.m. here in UK? I mean, I wouldn't if I was you, just because there's a good chance that I could possibly remove these. So just chill out, bro. If you have to sleep, go to sleep, bro. You ain't got to do too much. What? Now I look like I'm in a scary movie,
You
bro.
have a
like,
filter on this, bro. Go to your camera. You're on a filter. Click Logi webcam.
No,
Bro, I'm like 90% sure because the contrast is so low.
it's not.
Double click on it. Go to properties.
No filter, as you can see. Okay, yeah. Wait, can you leave it there? Leave it there. Leave it there. Is it gonna fall if you do that?
Yep.
Stop shaking it around then.
All right. Came here for.
You didn't deliver the package.
That was so out of the way. Bro, you know how hard it is to find an 8-ball of Coke in fucking New
Yo,
Jersey this late
there
at
he
night?
goes.
Oh, you weren't muted?
Yo.
Oh my god, so they know that Kifo sent me to get him an 8-ball of Coke at 10 p.m. at night. Oh my. I can't believe that just got exposed, guys. I'm sorry you had to hear that.
You ever get annoyed of bro?
Yeah,
Vibe
all,
with,
like,
vibe
all
with
the fucking
Cole.
time, bro.
Vibe with Cole, bro. Dude, honestly, bro, gotta tell him not to insult a fellow Cobra like that. Yo, you guys got a handshake like.
How do you not slap Shinobi every minute? I should, bro. I should. That's what it's gonna come. One of these days, that's what it's gonna come to, bro.
No, the day you lay your hands on me, bro, we're done being.
I beat your fucking ass before,
When?
bro. Now
When?
now
You've
you're gonna
never-
act all brand
you've
new,
never,
bro.
You've never beat my ass, bro.
You're gonna act all brand new, bro.
No, dude. We used to slam each other. Bro, those were ending in draws, bro.
Those were not ending in draws, bro.
Yo, Shinobi, don't let Key talk to you like that, bro.
Somebody said he's bad for business.
Kiss it out is insane.
He's bad for business, bro. There would be no business if it wasn't for Shinobi. Watch the podcast with Charlie Summer, bro. Is he telling us to kiss right now?
Yo, I didn't even say anything. Somebody in the chat said it.
Dude, we gotta do what the chat says, bro. I'm sorry. Alright.
Can you not touch my desk?
Actually,
This
it's
light
not-
is
it's-
fragile.
It's actually my.
Huh?
That's my keyboard. If you actually troll me right now, I swear.
No,
to
no,
God.
no. I just need one.
No. If I get trolled here, make your next decision very carefully, cuzzy. No, we go cut some grass. Ramen Hashimi, bro, go fucking dig a hole in the fucking desert and then look out for bombs from your own people.
One of stuff?
From your own you cannot be saying that, bro.
I just read the
And
chat.
Sasuke
I just read the
begged
chat.
to get unbanned
Yo,
in my Discord, bro.
yo,
He had his friends
this is
come in.
insane. I
Beg.
can't even read chat right now. Oh,
Yo,
yo,
Rick-
No, I just muted so I could save you guys the headache, bro. You didn't have to hear any of it. You guys are welcome. Who?
the one. Scroll up. You have to.
Probably not.
I did ask.
You said you'll sell me 100.
Right now.
Oh shit. M drivers did he did mention
Really?
it. Yeah. No.
What a weirdo.
Surprised. On one way we do have a small breaker block. Yeah, I mean there's some stuff inside of here, but I'm not longing at the highs, to be very honest with you guys. I'm not longing at the highs. So I want to at least wait a little bit to kind of see like how this plays out first. Were you at Impact? Yeah, bro. I had both my cars at Impact. I have a confession to make. Oh god, bro. What could it possibly be? W was somber. Gold? So did NQ. Nice. Nice. Wait for this to
CAD levels on.
Any thoughts on being a better father? What? I don't know, bro. I'm not a father. I'm buddies with the shop EPC. They pull up. Yeah, me too, bro. I'm good friends with Prov. Does anyone know the limit? Yo, guys, by the way, do you guys have 1080p or no? Or is it still 720? You guys should have 1080p. 1080p 60 FPS? Okay, nice. Perfect, bro. Very nice. So we got that figured out. So you guys should be able to see these limits. It's 539 and then 489. Make it 1440. 1080 is so bad. I could do 1440 as well. For next stream, for tomorrow's New York AM stream, it'll be 1440, guys. Check 4 hour. There's a small breakers just below your stop loss. The breaker on the 4 hour would be this candle here, brother. I think this is what you're saying. Doesn't matter. This trade is based off of the 1 hour, not the 4 hour. So it still like wouldn't matter too much. The lower stop loss, I only have it to 10 points, so it can cover the 4 hour gap. And the upper one, I have it at 7 points, so it could cover this 15-minute. That's why. Could be 2164K. Bruh. Mr. Key, do you hate all-time highs? Bro, who does not hate all-time highs, bro? All-time highs fucking suck. Fuck all-time highs, bro. Have you looked into automation? What do you mean automation? Which car has the best interior for 10K? I don't know, bro. Yeah, I have no idea. Do you take any peptides? Nope. I'm making Nahari from this morning. Can I be a mod now and your warehouse manager? Yeah, you could be the warehouse manager, bro. Pull up, you could be the warehouse manager. Keep these fucking idiots in check.
The bigger.
Levels don't change with the new high. Not these ones, no. Use any indicators? I have this random like FVG indicator on. Right here, this one. And then I have this one which shows the 4 hours, the 4 hour and the daily. I have this one. And that's it. Actually, and this one as well, market profile. So that shows like previous day high and the sessions, previous week high, all that stuff. Let me be that, and you're getting personal chef too. Do you actually cook? Like you're actually like a fire chef? We don't have a kitchen in the warehouse, so you have to work that out. But you might have to throw something on the grill every day. 20K payout, bro. 20K payout is light work though. You know, we gotta do at least 50. We gotta do at least 50. Guys, also by the way, if you guys don't know, I launched I had a soft launch on my carbon brand today, guys. So if you guys drive a BMW and you guys want like carbon stuff, the website is beamersource.us. BIMMER source.us. Go lock in and buy some fucking carbon shit for your BMW, bro. Code key. There's no code key for that yet, bro. Maybe I should make. I should
right
probably
now.
make a code
It
key
takes
for
like
that.
10 seconds.
Yeah. Bro, anybody else that asks me some dumb bullshit about TJR is getting muted, bro. Next person getting muted for fucking 24 hours. No, I'm not taking shorts. Buy a Cadillac?
No,
Nah.
CT5.
Nah. I need to send the Tesla back. And bro, your first mistake was buying a Tesla. That
Nah, that's a
fucking
fire daily,
piece
bro.
of
It's
shit. Yeah, I guess it's a good daily, but that's it. Why would you long if we had 1 hour, 4 hour daily bearish SMT? Because I decide when the bottom is, bruv, not the SMT. You take EBT for premium chat? Yeah, we do take EBT, food stamps, and things of that nature. Yep, we do. Yeah, Section 8 vouchers, all that stuff. TGR does not trade real money, not regulated brokers. Seems, yeah, that's what most people are just retarded and don't understand that. People like, yo, people just believe anything you put in front of their fucking faces, bro. It's so funny. Yeah, bro. These are probably the same people that think FX Alex actually turned $100 to a mil or whatever the fuck that dumb shit was. ZR1 Corvette. What, like I would get a C6 ZR1, but like it's not something I would get right now. You take EBT for premium chat? What do you mean do I take EBT for premium? I did respond to that already. What did you say? Tesla drift mode with e-brake low-key trim?
Bro,
Tesla does not have an e-brake.
Bro. Kid.
On a Tesla?
Bro.
What?
I looked it up with Yash. I was like, yo, we really gotta spend
No, it's less, bro. It's like $160 for a Tesla lease. It's
Imagine
free.
Some you pull up to the crib, be like, yo, new car, be like, nah.
Yeah.
Yo, that video is actually fire.
Fucking dog shit fries, bro.
I'm out for the ride.
Wait, what did he say? Who would rather kiss Shinobi or the other?
Time him out. Time him out.
He called you the other chubby guy, bro.
Yo,
Oh
you're
my.
poor.
Do you take magic jelly beans for VIP chat? I do, bro. We do take magic jelly beans. You just gotta ship them over to my PO box. If you weren't a day trader and never made it in trading, what would you have done? I would have became a doctor. Yo, did everybody check out my website, bro? Did everybody go to my website, bro? I need live view. Oh yeah, they did. Like more people need to go on it, bro, to be honest. More people gotta buy shit. How much is your Discord? It's $380. $380 a lifetime. An absolute bargain, bro. Yo, Prubby, give me a good product for FBM. First of all, this is Subby, not Prubby.
Yo, bro.
Fucking up the
I
ubbies.
can't sell a course. I can't.
Do you accept buy now, pay never? Nah, unfortunately, we do not do that, bro.
Oh, you know I do FBM instead of
Always wanted to get a warehouse for me and my buddy traders, but don't have any. That's why you gotta lock in with some, bro. He does talk like Ro, doesn't he? Yeah, that's the fun. Nah, he uses the same words, bro. Like
Literally.
trim. I never said trim. I never unironically said trim in my life, bro. Yeah, that's not. Let's not make that a thing, bro. Trim is gay. It's not fire. One day I'm gonna be in that warehouse. Whips are on the way. Will you start a prop firm? Fuck no, bro. Did you buy or rent this warehouse? Yeah, bro. I bought the entire thing cash. We put all cash down. All right, Unk. See, even the way he said that, same way Rahul would say it, bro. Same exact way he would say it. Man, this thing is slow, boys. This thing is slow. Like, incredibly slow.
Where'd I go to?
See if you can get paid out on Apex. You can't yet.
No.
Yeah, it would be on Apex's thing. What do you offer in your Discord? Like the super secret way of actually the way that I trade. Because I give you guys like a little front, bro. It's not how I actually trade. Do you take packing peanut? Packing peanut. I think I need packing peanuts, bro, low-key. Yeah, bro, fuck it. Bring some. I'll take it. How long does it take you to pass a take profit trader count? It's 5 days, bro. 5 days. Hell of a deal. Add 14 for WAP fees. Yeah. Where are they going now? Just became a lifetime today. So excited to dig in all the sauce this week, bro. There's a fuck ton of sauce. It's gonna take you a little bit, but go ahead and do that. Can I charge back the payment after I send it to you for the premium? You wouldn't mind that, right, bro? Bro, yo, lol. Can we for real run chart champs, bro? Yeah, we will run chart champs, bro. I know you're like fiending for it. Who was that blob walking around in the background in all brown? W code. No. No, I like it, but it's out of my budget. From South Florida, I heard that FX Alex claimed a 1 churro into 1 million. Yo, bro. And I gotta be in the office a couple days. When do you usually take the trades? Like how long the streams? It's so hard to be in trading when meetings are on. I base.
Bro,
You said.
we got grabbed.
Oh shit. The streams usually. How long usually are the streams? Like 8. Like 3 to 4 hours usually. 3 to 4 hours. Gravitational pull, bro, is so funny. You know what's crazy about that joke though? That's something exactly like word for word Rahul would say too. Like literally word for word, bro. Did you full port FMC evals? No, I didn't.
Chat.
Yeah, the chat fucking did. The chat full ported all their fucking funded accounts too, because half the people blew their accounts. For your 10-point system, bro, what's your target? Over here, I ran through my targets, bro. My target's all-time highs. Also, guys, by the way, Apex is also 80% off. If you guys did not know, 80% off with code key. What do we have next? Yo, do we have anything next week for one day pass on this? I haven't even seen the calendar for next week. PCE. Oh shit. Non-farm the first week of October, bro. What a fucking great welcome into October. GG's. Yeah, first week of October we have non-farm, so that would be a one-day pass event for anybody trying to run Apexes. Bought a 350 Apex account with your code. When's the giveaway you said on your FMC? Tonight, after, right as soon as the stream is over. As soon as the stream is over. How would you trade when you're in the office? Any advice, please? I would go similar to what I'm doing right now. I would set my limits and then I would just let it go. Set my limits and that's it. I bring livelihood to the chat. Would be a killer mod. You always soon me in here. You know what, Blasky? If I see you in here tomorrow, both streams, you could get mod. For a 10-point system, let's say FVG, that's a decent size for you to get more in that. Say for FVG that a decent size, you try to get more in the bottom of that gap. No, it'll be 10-point stops regardless. 10 points is the biggest I would go. Can you link 25k Rhythmic accounts? Not sure if you can use them on TradeAvate. You can. I would never buy Rhythmic. First of all, don't buy fucking Rhythmic. This shit's buns. Only TradeAvate. Only TradeAvate. Can you link Rhythmic? Yes, you can link them through NinjaTrader. Real shit though, been the streams for the last 3 weeks, been learning so much, and streams mad entertaining too. Keep it up, twin. I appreciate you, Will. Appreciate you, brother. Your SL will be, yeah, it won't. Positions are full. I have an eval. I want to pass on this trade. How many contracts you recommend getting? Up to you, bro. Up to you. Kahoot. Bro, our Kahoot maker is like, our Kahoot maker right now is, it has not given any new Kahoots yet. You don't use copy traders, bro, like Replicantor or Sinker. I used Trade Sinker for 2 days, bro. 2 fucking days. And that shit like had a bunch of bugs. It would randomly add 2 contracts for one of my accounts and then 1 contract for every other account. Like it was just weird. It was a little buggy. So I just canceled it. I was like, fuck this. I don't need it. So yeah. Bro, he had blue 10 funded accounts and I took your trade with no SL on my TPT. Bro, whose fault is that? Why would you do that, bro? Why the fuck would you do that? What additional benefits are available in your Premium Discord? Premium Discord gets 2 courses. The first course is a full ICT course. The second course is like my actual top and bottom ticking strategy. They get trade recaps every single day for all the trades that I take throughout the day. They get 2 lives a week, Monday and Friday. We run through the weekly outlook together and we go through the, we do Q&A, and that's Monday and Friday, both. And then they get all my trade ideas basically on and off the stream. So they get a good amount. I just blew my PA account, bro. Bro, you guys gotta fucking get a grip, bro. I swear to God. You guys gotta get a grip. What do you recommend to do to get better as a trader during your free time? Because I feel like back testing doesn't work. Forward testing. Forward testing is what works. I need my first payout. I'm getting premium. Bro, get that fucking payout. Get that payout. Lock in with a payout, twin. Give some nice signals, premium member. Bro, when do I not give nice signals, bro? Come on. I hate consistency rules. That's why TPT, bro. If you don't like consistency, just lock in with TPT. For all those people that like hate consistency and all that bullshit, consistency is the wave. Or sorry, TPT is the wave. TPT can be connected to TradingView. Yes, it can. Can we trade with TPT now, or we have to wait till midnight? You can trade with it now. What do you mean? Yo, youth, can you fucking shut up, bro? Why would you trade 50? Like, bro, come on, bro. Get a grip. Get a grip. TPT ate me up with the trailing DD. I mean, bro, the thing with TPT is that because there's no consistency, you could just size up, bro. Literally just size up and you can get past the trailing bullshit like this. It's only $2,000 that you have to make on a 50K. That's it. That is it, bro. 2K is not hard to make. With our trades, that's like 2 trades and you make your 50K or you make your 52K and you're past the buffer. Why not ride it down if you think it's going down there? Well, I'm hoping it gets down there. Right? I don't like absolutely fully think it's going down there because it can do something like this where it just bounces from this fair value gap and then makes a move to the upside, right? It could just do that. I don't like, I'm not trying to predict here. I'm just reacting to what I see. And what I see is I see 2 levels down here that I like, so I'm going to limit them. Up here, I don't see anything. There's no setup inside of here for me. So that's why I wouldn't take that. Would you do a series of passing TPTs? I can. I have 2 right now that I've passed, but if you guys want to do it, if a bunch of you guys buy TPT accounts and you guys want to do that, you know what I'll do? Let's do this. For anybody who buys TPT accounts tonight, what I'll do is, what day is it today? It's Wednesday. So tomorrow, what I'll do is, before tomorrow opens, I will load up 3 more fresh TPTs, and I'll pass them with you guys. I'll take all the trades here only on stream, and we can basically pass them together and trade them together. How about that? Let's do that. So tomorrow I'll have 3 more TPT evals loaded up. So if you guys want to trade them with me and pass them with me, basically like document my journey all the way to a payout with them, you guys can do that with TPTs with code key. Yes, but with 20 Apex accounts, you could do it with Apex accounts too if you want. Apex accounts, like I said, 80% off right now. Pretty solid. You could do that if you want. It's up to you. TPT is just a different firm. I do copy trade my TPT accounts, yes. With Apex, let's say you're up $500 on a trade, then your break even gets hit. Are you technically down 500? If you are currently in the trailing drawdown, yes. I won the giveaway earlier. How do I get the account? I have your name written down. You have to join the Discord and open a ticket. You got to join the Discord, open a ticket. Join the Discord, open a ticket. How do you copy your TPT accounts? Through Tradeovate, the same way I copy all of them. 495, 500 BPR, 500 IFVG, C daily OB. 495.75. Oh, yeah, that's deep. 495. Nah, I like my 489 better. Can you do another giveaway for the ones that missed it? I'm definitely gonna be doing more, bro. What's minimum or maximum payout on TPT 50K? There is no maximum payout. You can request whatever the fuck you want. That's the best part about TPT. And the payout is same day. So it processes and delivers the same day. What's your Discord? It's the first link in the bio. And if you guys want the free one, the free Discord, just do exclamation mark Discord. TPT is the GOAT. Instant payouts, code key. Yep, absolutely, bro. Code key will lock you in. Basically a guaranteed way to, you know what I mean? Like, get your payouts. Also, like, why would you use anything other than code key? It genuinely confuses me, bro. Because it's so easy. Like, 3 letters. K-E-Y. Boom. That's it. Done. Come on, bro. Lock it in. Will you trade the TPT tomorrow when? Yes, I will. I'm going to get them tonight, and I will start trading them tomorrow morning with you guys. If you have one account as group leader on Tradeovate and link it to TradingView as a copy to the other accounts in the group, you have to execute them on Tradeovate. You have to execute on Tradeovate. Don't you need 5 days to pass TPT? Yes, but the way that I do it is like we do with Top Step. So we make 1,500 the first day, we make 1,500 the second day, and then we just go in and out of trades real quick for the next 3 days, and it's passed. Do you stream New York AM? Yes, I do, bro. You said you're my biggest fan. You don't know I stream. You don't know my stream schedule, bro. You're a liar. Yo, Subby. Yo, can I lock in with that? The little joint. The little joint. What is your success rate passing evals? Bro, come on, bro. What are these fucking metrics that you guys expect me to track? What a stupid ass question, bro. Why would I track my metrics on a success rate for passing evals, bro? When you say tomorrow, do you mean New York or Asia for tomorrow? I mean New York, bro. He said okay, bro. And yo, you just said okay, like just O and K. Loki, now you made me feel bad, bro. I'm sorry. I crashed out. I'm sorry. Just bought 3 alpha 150K with code key. Nice. Alpha is like the Top Step replacement, like a better Top Step. That's what alpha is. How much Apex paying you for promo? Not enough, bro. So chart champs, bro. Chart champs. Give me a second, bro. I'm answering questions right now. How much did you make this week? Bro, I took my first trade this week and I'm down 210. Took my first trade earlier today. Okay is the go-to girlfriend alt to get you to feel bad. Yeah, bro, that's what he just pulled on me, bro. He just said O and K and then hasn't said anything since, bro. He hasn't said a word. What's good, chicken biryani, bro? What's good? Dang, we can't recover from 210 loss. Yeah, bro, that one actually might fuck me up. Do you recommend 150k or 350k on TPT? Definitely 350ks if you want to copy trade, and like 350ks you can make more money than 150k. Just copy trading any amount of accounts, you'll automatically more than likely make more using smaller size. You're gonna buy 3x 50k right on TPT. Yeah, I already have 2 right now. I'm gonna buy 3 more, so that'll make it 5 total for my TPT, and then I'm gonna essentially trade all 5 of those accounts live. Goal is to get to about, I'm gonna try to take those accounts live here in front of you guys. I'm gonna take all 5 of them to about 58k, and then I'm gonna take a payout on those accounts, and it should total out to about 6k per account. So 6 times 5 would be $30,000, and that's what we're looking, or 35, right? 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 6, 35, right?
No way you're asking this.
I don't know. Is it 35 or 30?
Oh my.
Which one is it, bro? I wasn't good at math. Which one is it? I'm not Indian, bro. What are you talking
That doesn't
about?
matter.
So I don't know math. It's 30. Okay, I was right. I was literally right. Yo, don't even make me feel bad, bro. I was right. I was literally right. I was just confirming. That's all I was doing. That's all I was doing, bro. This fucking bro, like this guy, bro. I won the spelling bee though. Did you win a spelling bee? Yeah, I didn't think so, bro. There you go. That's what I thought, bro. So you could act like you're superior than me in math, but I guarantee you can't spell certain words that I can. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah, I just told you I'm not. I'm the real winner. I won a spelling bee. Yeah. No way you're not Indian, bro. What is... What you recommend for beginners trying to get a fast payout broker wise? I go Top Step right now. Okay, so Top Step is a good way to fuck yourself over. TPT, honestly, TPT or Alpha. Alpha is really good for beginners. I think Alpha standards and Alpha zeros fire for beginners. Some of the best in the game. I think, like, if you can't get a payout from Alpha, you're fucking retarded. Genuinely, bro. I like Alpha Advanced. He said for beginners, bro. Advanced is expensive, so I'm trying to recommend, like, cheaper. Is there an activation fee on TPT? No activation fee on TPT if you use code key, guys. Code key right now for this month is 40% off, no activation. I'm on 50k Apex. Bro, what? Why the hell would you? I've said so many times before, you should not be, if you are only going to buy one account, do not trade Apex. Apex is only if you're going to buy 5 or more. 5 or more is the only reason why you should be trading Apex. If you're trading anything under that, you should be on TPT or Alpha. Wait, what was the bet that you made me?
You're just trying to say that now, so I gotta pay you.
Wait, what was the bet though?
I don't remember.
Yo, this guy, bro. Nah, I think I remember the bet. I think you said if I didn't like it, you would buy a F30 hood from Beamer Source.
For what, bro? Car sold.
Fine, then go buy the G80 hood from Beamer Source.
Yeah, bro. Carbon hood from Beamer Source.
The beat is so bad, bro. I would have to fucking slap you guys for doing some bullshit like that. Bro.
Finding Nick shit.
Are all trades limits for tomorrow's challenge? No. My TPTs, I'm gonna start tomorrow, bro. They're gonna start tomorrow. Alpha or TPT, y'all. I honestly, I say TPT just because they have a way better fucking promo going on. They have 40% off, no activation fees. Alpha is only 10% off right now if you use code key. So Not bad. What's the contract size you trade on 50K? Yeah, 1 mini. It's crazy to think about the guy next to Key right now made 3 mil plus from Amazon FBA.
How do you remember that?
Yeah, bro, they remember shit, bro. Nah, he's locked in, bro. TPT 50K is only 2 days to pass. TBA, it's 5 days, and there is no activation fee. Yeah, no activation is fire. It's like, that's literally the best. $100 all in for a 50K account, fucking fire. I have Top Step right now, but I haven't been profitable for months, bro. You think I should switch to Alpha or TPT? Bro, switching firms isn't gonna make you profitable. I'm not gonna lie to you, Chicken Biryani. That's not what switching firms does. It just makes it like, sometimes it makes it a little bit easier to get a payout because the firm rules are a little bit better, but it doesn't just make you profitable. It does not work. It's $102 for a 50K account. Don't lie. My fault. My fault. I didn't tell you about the $2, bro. That's my fault, gang. That's really my fault. Bro, you can buy chicken biryani with the extra $2. Okay, I guess that's a good point. I mean, like, you just make consistency, then you just trade a couple days, some small profit to last 2. Yeah, exactly, Corey. That's literally what I do. People like actually trade the all 5 of the days, bro. Like, come on. Lock in, bro. How do I withdraw my money from the TPT buffer zone? I have 6,500 so far, but it won't let me withdraw past 4,500. What do you mean? I'm not sure I understand. What ethnicity are you? Does it matter though? Like, does it really matter that much? What would it change for? What would it do for your life if you found out what ethnicity I was? What would it do for you, bro? What is this? 614 to 617. That fucking 15-minute. 614 to 617. Not gonna lie, I'm a fan of 614, boys. I'm a fan of 614. I just don't want to short. This thing could just fucking continue up. I'm gonna mark out 614 because it's a good level. I marked 614. That's a good ass level. It's this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm marking it out. I'm not taking it, but I'm marking it out. If I have a massive winning day, but I'm recovering from drawdown, will I still have to make more than that because of rules? On what firm? I'm at 619, 10-point stop. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't look horrible. Willing to see how it goes. Guess we'll see. I've been saying that level for an hour now. Bro, my fault, bro. I didn't see, alright? I didn't see biggest of bros. I ain't peepee.
He didn't bloom something. It's just not even asking what it says.
Yeah, it's just a Roadster. It has an SVJ body kit. That's not his. It's just, he's a broker for Cario.
Really?
Cario took that in, yeah.
He's
just a broker for Cario. He enters people into the Lisa Doom, bro. My question regarding Alpha Futures. I'm not entirely sure, brother. TPT max withdrawal. There's no max withdrawal. You can withdraw whatever the hell you want on TPT. No max withdrawal. New 4-hour opens here in 2 minutes. Let's see what it does. If it starts making this push higher, I could be interested in this 614 level. Let's take a look. Gonna wait and see. How do you have this much patience in market, not pressing any buttons till your level? Because I've been there. I've been at the exact point where I have no patience and I'm hitting the buttons, and I'm trying to enter trades left and right. And I know exactly where that gets me, and I know it only ends up in me blowing my accounts. So at some point, I learned to just stop bullshitting myself and just fucking have a little bit of discipline and, you know, wait for my trade plan to play out. Otherwise, I don't take a trade at all. Very, very simple. And it's easy to do. It's actually easy to do. People are just like, they just don't have enough discipline. I made 20K last week for my first payout week. Let's fucking go, youth. Hell yeah, bro, I'm proud. Fire. I'm in same situation, just clicking buttons. Yeah, bro. So see, at some point you're gonna literally get sick of yourself. At some point you're gonna like just look at the shit that you do, how many accounts you blow, and how it's easily avoidable by you just following your trading plan from, you know, from what you had planned from the start, right? And if you just did that, you would be perfectly fine. Bro, just think about all the bullshit trades you guys have taken and think about where you'd be if you never took them. And if that doesn't make you feel like shit, I don't know what will. And if that doesn't change things for you, I don't know what will. Some people, they just learn the hard way, bro. Some people, like, they legitimately got to get fucking, like, they got to get beat down to rock bottom before they start, like, changing things. And other people will learn from, like, experiences like mine where I tell you guys to not do shit like that. And those people obviously will be better off. The people that learn the hard way, you'll eventually figure it out, right? It'll just take you longer. That's it. It's kind of inevitable. If you stick to it, if you stick to this, it's inevitable that you will make money at some point, right? It's just, do you have like thick enough skin to sit through the bullshit? Because not everybody has like a, you know, a fucking fairy tale start to their trading career where they, you know, as soon as they start, they immediately start making money, right? It doesn't work like that. Usually people start and they lose a fuck ton of money, and then they maybe start making money. Or you make a little bit of money, you think you're the fucking best, then you lose it all, and then you don't make money for a long time, and then you finally start making money, right? Basically, every avenue at some point, as long as you stick to it, leads to you figuring it out and making money, right? It's just screen time. And then eventually you figure it out. That's it. I feel like I'm about to be profitable, but like my emotions are starting to get to me. I have a profitable strat that have been using 70% win rate. What's the best advice to actually get the money? Trust your strategy, bro. Trust your plan. That's it. Trust your fucking plan. Very simple. Cool thing about TBT is able to have pass evals in reserve. This is actually very true. The ability to just have accounts sitting in reserve for in the event that you close your accounts or you blow your accounts or whatever the case might be, you have a bunch in reserve that, you know, just come right in and boom, you could just use those. I think that is one of the most like fire things about TPT. I have 5 funded pro and 10 passed ready to activate if I lose them. TPT to go. Hopefully use code key, bro. How long do you think it will take for your TPT challenge? 5 days. Same like the regular eval pass, it'll take 5 days. So by the end of next week, they should be passed. I only got good at trading when I focus on price action and on the other BS that people try selling you on. Bro, that's literally what I try to push to you guys. I try to tell you guys that all the fucking time. Will you be profitable if I signal bot you? I mean, as long as I'm here, you might be, yeah. Will you be profitable without me though? No. Because you don't know how to do any of the shit I'm doing. Yeah, this 614 level is getting close, bro. This brand new 4-hour doesn't really have anywhere to like properly manipulate into, really. Aside from this hourly order block, could manipulate in there. That's kind of it. That's the only place that I'm seeing that this could possibly manipulate into. Yeah, other than that, there's literally nothing, bro. We'll see. I'll give it a little bit more time. Let me draw out. So this is the hourly order block. We'll see what this does. Why did you change from forever model? What the fuck is forever model? I never traded a model called forever model. You're literally profitable because I take your signals. BPR on the 4 hour. There's no BPR here on the 4 hour. We broke through the only one. We just inversed the BPR. The bearish BPR, we inversed it. Yeah, what are my likes at? Yo, guys, I'm checking my likes. If this is like a diabolical number, bro, this is going to be actually like really bad for you guys. 425. 110. Bro, everybody like up the fucking stream, bro.
200 we give away.
We're already giving away 10
I
accounts.
know.
Yeah, bro. We have 10 more accounts to give away. We better get to 1000. We better get to 200 likes. Yeah, let's get to 200 likes, bro. It was close to forever model CIZ. Dude, do not ever. I mean, Matt's forever model, yeah, sure. Yeah. Maybe we had some similarities. We drew mine and Matt's order blocks are different. Matt drew his order block a little differently than mine. But mine was flow model. What accounts you giving away? Giving away 3 TPTs. 3 TPTs to you guys. From I'm picking random people that use the code key, picking random people, three TPTs, and then we're giving away 7 apexes. 7 apexes, 3 TPTs. To 10 random people who use code key before the end of the stream. I feel like Asia session low-key easier to profit from than NY for me lately. You're only saying that because of Monday and Tuesday price action, because it was pre-FOMC, most likely. Do we need proof? I mean, I'm gonna pick your name, and then you just need to prove to me that that's you. That's all. What? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Cobra, where is your hair? Can I get a TPT? I blew all my TPT accounts. Please keep. Bro, you have to use code key, and that's how you get entered, bro. What do you want me to do? Do you still use that model? If not, why? I'm not currently using that model, and the reason why I'm not is because the win rate on that model significantly deteriorated because of the kind of market that we're in. So that's why I switched to this model temporarily. I need that TPT NGL. I blew my funded today. If you guys fucking use it, then that'll be it. How do you know who bought the Apex accounts? I have Apex go in and check it for me. I don't pick the winners. Apex picks the winners. Apex and TPTs are going to be the ones that pick the winners. So if you don't get picked, don't blame it on me, and don't worry, because obviously, like, there's going to be multiple opportunities for you guys to win accounts, bro. Like, this is something that I do pretty often. We give away accounts all the time. When do we know if these trades are invalid and close them? Not yet. I'll tell you that, not yet. One TPT for chart champs winner? Nah, because a lot of you guys know how to like rig chart champs, bro. Some of you guys like do some weird sketchy shit and make like $5 million somehow, bro. You trade like the weekly time frame. You buy your accounts, or does Apex Alpha TPT give them to you for free? I have to buy my accounts. Same. Apex and Alpha give me like 10 accounts a month to give away. But I don't use them. They give me 10 codes, but I don't use any of them. I give them away. I give them all away. I can use them if I wanted to, but I'm max allocation, so I don't need them. That's why I just give them all away to you guys. Use something spinning giveaway app to give account. Nah, because that's not fun, bro. We make it fun. The 5 accounts we gave in the New York stream, that was like a fun way that we did it. The next 10 is going to be from the people who use code key. We'll probably structure it in a way where like you could use the spinny app too, like maybe like the 1 to 100, press, you know, pick a number. Could be that as well. You know what I mean? So, could be whatever, really. Yo, I miss my music, bro. What are your thoughts on news tomorrow? Tomorrow, the only thing we have is unemployment claims. Not anything, like, crazy. Should we play music, guys? Yo, Subby. Should we play music? Yeah. Yeah. I don't give a fuck. I'm playing Sunrise Deep House Mix at the Dolomites. What do you mean? It's fire, bro. No, bro, no Drake. No, because that'll actually get my stream banned, I'm pretty sure.
So guys, my name
Too loud? Is this too loud or no? Yo, chat, is this too loud or not? It's too loud? Yo, check it. Check it. Make sure it's not too loud. Bro, I'm sorry for blowing your eardrums. What about now? What about now? I just made it. I just made it. Yeah? Is this good? Or a little louder? Like that? Is that better? Alright, we're gonna leave it right here, bro. We're gonna leave it right here. We're gonna vibe out, bro. This hasn't even gone to the hourly order block, bro. $617 looks good, key, like really nice, like nice type of nice. I have 614 here, so we'll see. The whole bar looked at me because of the music. They looked at you because of the music and not the shit we've been saying in here. Yeah, let me. Yo, the light just shut off? Hello? Why did the light shut off? This should die? No way, bro. My light died. Alright, we're back to fucking bullshit lighting. When there's a gap up, like we had a couple of days ago, and now we have wicks in that price, is it considered as a volume imbalance? A gap? Wait, what do you mean? Where did we have a gap up? Are you taking 614? I might, yeah, because this doesn't have a proper manipulation at all. So I might take the 614. 614, by the way, guys, is this 15-minute fair value gap. Open 15-minute fair value gap. I think, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I just don't like the short because all-time high is the draw. Like, it's a very, very clear draw. That's why I don't like the short. But I might try 614 with a 5-point stop. Because it does look pretty good. Try with a 5-point stop here, guys. Try with a 5-point stop. 614 with a 5-point stop loss. Guess we'll see how this goes. $6.14 long or short, bro? Come on, bro. What would you rate that? I would rate this a B plus. A B plus. Actually, just a B. B. Normal B. No plus.
I never wanted to hear order filled more than my life than I do. Been waiting so long, bro.
I know.
Oh, good pump. You don't understand if I say I found Mary.
What?
You think you'll understand if I...
Bruh. Let's see how this goes, bro. 617 is A plus. I'm only gonna try 614, bro. That's the only short I'm gonna take. I'm not touching another short. I'll tell you guys that right now. I'm not touching another short. Not a single other short is getting touched by me, bruv.
You never trade London.
Not because then when am I gonna sleep?
Yeah. I got used to it. Because of this guy. Yesterday driving home, I was mad. Didn't sleep the entire day.
What?
Cause he told me, yo, wake me up in like 2 hours, right? I wake him up 8:30. He's like, yo, give me more time. 9:30, go wake him. He's like, give me more time. So I could have taken a nap too for 3 hours straight, right? But he says, yo, just wake me up, bro. We gotta trade to New York. Does not wake up till 10:45. I have to stay awake the entire time.
Damn, we have a lot of SMT here too. Bearish SMT.
Just top tick this real quick and then.
The short is bad. Okay, don't take it. What you mean, twin? Joined premium today. Looking forward to learning and applying the sauce. Yeah, make sure you go through the courses. Both courses, make sure you go through them. They're both on WAP. Go through the trade recaps and stuff. You'll love it, bro. Short is at 614.
Take a screenshot of the things. Just for this one.
Whoa. And let me mute this dick sucker here.
You guys in any trades?
No.
No more light?
We're looking to get filled at 6:14.
Light died, bro.
Huh?
The light died.
Put on charge.
W. What is this mini, bro?
That's the OG.
Yeah,
We're
bro.
looking to get filled at 6:14.
Stop. What are you doing?
Shorts.
I'm touching you.
Do you not see me working, bro?
Working.
You're listening to house music.
Working harder, hardly working. Am I right?
Bro, where's the huzz?
Look at this.
Why do I hear myself, gang? Oh.
Look at this. Somebody posted this the other day.
Is this your 1 to 10 RR strat? Yes, it is. Exactly.
House music is bang. Yo,
Yeah, bro, I heard you. I heard
They're
you.
doing this on purpose.
Fat ass, bro.
Is this the same guy that had like hella bits on his
Is that blob jumping? Yeah, bro, they're just being annoying, bro. Like, it gets to a point, bro. It's just, at some point, it's not even funny anymore. Dumbasses, bro. I didn't even get to enjoy my song, bro. The song is so gas. We're 10 points away, guys, from this 614 level, bruv. Play it back? Yo, can I? I'm gonna play it back, bro, because I feel like I didn't get to really enjoy this, bro. Now you're gonna really enjoy it. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah. Or did you just have random people just spawn in during his sets? It's the same guy that was on the boat with like hella bitches on his boat.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, it's just random people just spawn in the middle of nowhere.
Bro, because he's literally on the Dolomites, bro.
You guys have some type of money to do this.
He's got emotion,
He's
bro.
outside.
What mix is this? Yeah, it's this dude, bro. Chris Luno, bro. He's so locked in. If you guys remember him, bro, this dude was on the bus with all the huzz. This is the same guy, bro. This is the name of it. Sunrise Deep House Mix at the Dolomites. He's at the fucking Dolomites, bruv. How rich you gotta be to do some shit like that? Just DJ at the Dolomites? Actually, this probably doesn't take that much money, to be honest. You just gotta go to the Dolomites with a DJ set. Is it set limit at 614? Yes. We have a set limit at 614.
I have 5 points. Bro. Yo, time him out. Time
Ooh,
Norman out.
Norman? What do you think about bro?
At least 10 seconds.
What's the TP? TP here really would be, honestly, I would be happy with the 4-hour low. That would put us at about a, let's see the R multiple here at the 4-hour low. To the 4-hour low, we're at a 5.2 R. If we go down to this fair value gap, it's a 13R. I would like to see this fair value gap. It's not like, I think 4-hour low would be the low hanging fruit here because we have equal lows there too. So I like 4-hour low more than anything. I like 4-hour low.
this Sunday?
Yeah, mainline
What time
Sunday.
is it?
I'm gonna be there at like, I'm gonna get there at like 9 a.m. Why? You wanna come?
Supposedly we're gonna meet this one guy that does FBA.
Dude.
Like, he's got like, you real quick?
Bro, I got the phone. What's the limit at? 614, and the stop loss is at 619. I just bought my take profit account. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna be getting my take profit accounts tonight. So if you guys want to follow along, make sure you guys get your accounts before tomorrow opens. Using code key, of course. Fire.
But he beat the game out of our own shit. So like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that'd be good link.
He just exited too. So
Is it the final main line? I'm pretty sure it's the final main line. Why you like take profit now? I use them, bro, and they're really fucking good. So I like them. Alpha Features rejected my payout because I traded on Red Folder News that was not on Forex Factory. Do other firms also follow that same thing? You just have to be like careful with the news stuff. I use Forex Factory, bro. Can I trade news on Top Step? Yes, you can. We're almost there, guys. It's getting close. It's really, really fucking slow, but it's close. You ever trade 1-to-1? Fuck no, bro. Hell fucking no. Now you smacking mine too? This guy, bro.
I can't dual wield, bro.
Dual wield is crazy.
Bro, Sam hit this. I was like, bro, you literally are nurse preaching not to do this shit, but then you hit it right in front of me. That's why whenever he comes at me for, I'm like, yo.
That's
Just
mad
remember what you
funny.
did during the video. Girl stole all hers up. Paid for some and then stole more. Typical.
Typical, bro, of course.
You know where she works at?
Hmm.
Or you used to work at? I don't want to say that. Where to go?
Sam's girl? Why? Why is he dating her?
Nah, she doesn't work there anymore, bro.
No.
Right? That's what I told him.
What's wrong with him?
Don't tell him that. Bro, she used to live in, like, where used to live? In his neighborhood? Shit. Apparently, that's what I heard from Julie. Used to be, like, a really nice girl. Yeah, I'm with her dad. Left. That was on that work. Good. Started working here, and then she met a glorious friend, East Coast Sam.
Crazy, bro.
When Julian told me that shit, I lost my shit. So, why someone like, you know, I feel like Sam's doing pretty good for himself. I was like, bro, why would you go to that level?
Yeah.
A full-time job, he's got a GED, his own bills. Sam's doing pretty good. Buckets are sweaty, bro.
Buckets are sweaty. The guy besides Keith sounds like Marky. Who's Marky? I need your help, please. What's up, bro? What do you need help with? Talk with me, talk with me. What do you need help? What happened? What do you need help with? Marky next door. Who's that? Sound like him apparently. How do you know where to sell? I'm curious. It's just based off the chart. Literally all based off the chart. Do you like Wendy's? Hell no. Wendy's is trash.
Yeah, it's a streamer.
Marky next door? Probably.
Come on. 30 points away. Shit's pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Oh! 4 points away, guys. We're 4 points away. This short is definitely a B. This is not an A plus or an A. This is a B.
Somebody said, in a week, you said if Alpha doesn't respond and send me the codes, I need for the fund. That's the word.
Yo, Slate, I'm gonna respond to your ticket tonight, bro. If you have a ticket open, if you don't, open a ticket. Your warehouse goes so hard, bro. What made you want to buy it? Honestly, it was just tough, bro. It was like a fire spot. You could put the cars in the back. Put the cars in the back. Yeah, just chill right here. Like a nice spot, bro, for the boys.
Gotta sell your soul to step inside.
Yeah, basically. NDA of Doom.
100% unstoppable. Why are you hating?
Yo, for people who say shit like that, just don't take the trade, bro. Like, I'm fine risking 5 points on this.
Top tick this just so we can come back to this guy.
I'm fine with risking 5 points on this. Like, it's not a big deal. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm telling you, it's a B grade setup, but the setup's there, so I'm gonna attempt it anyways. So we'll see. 5 points because 5 points covers the entirety of this fair value gap anyways.
Being RH, I'm down for a duo trip. These guys don't want to come.
Me too.
Gotta get out the house. Okay. I've already been here and then Minecraft. That's that. Anyway.
Yeah.
I haven't been going to my warehouse for all my shit's been on lock. What's behind the TV?
I want A plus setup. There really isn't an A plus setup here. I'll be honest with you guys. There's no A plus setup.
Order fill.
Bottom of a 15, inside CE of an hourly, yeah. We have bearish SMT, like a lot of bearish SMT here as well.
Is all house music allowed to be played on YouTube?
No, this is copyrighted. I just don't make any money from the streams. Do you plan on passing the TPT accounts tomorrow? You can't do a one-day pass on TPT, but I'm gonna start trading the TPT accounts tomorrow, yes. Do you plan on passing the TPT? I already answered that. Yeah, come on, let's get up there, bro. We got... What was the high we put in? 12. We were 2 points away. Yeah, we are getting edge right now. What time will be up tomorrow? Tomorrow, New York is going to be at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to start New York. I will be trading my TPT accounts tomorrow in the AM, guys. Can you grab me another water? We all know that's cap. Yeah, bro. I'm not falling for the rage bait, gang. I'm not falling for the rage bait. Did you trade FOMC? Yes, I did. It was today, but yeah, I did.
Please close. 1 point. Point 75.
Come on, bro.
It's insane.
Get up there.
0.75. 0.25 advanced. Crazy. When this dumps, it's still gonna take mad long for it to dump too.
Bro, no way we're like twerking on my level and it's not getting there. Yo, Key, I made a killing on gold, 52k overnight short. Bro, the long bull, you are a fucking demon, brother. Let's go. Yo, no chance. This is gonna literally hit my level to the tick and not fail me, right?
We're at 0.25.
No, it hit 14, I believe. No, I hit 13.75.
Yeah, that was Wait, does that
Bro,
have
the
to
long
cross?
bull, I love to see that, bro.
We're so close, bro. Come on.
Nah, this should fill. This should fill. You take any trades this week yet? We had one trade earlier for FOMC. That was my first trade of the week that I did on stream. We had a bunch of, we had 2 dubs in the Discord, but only one that I took on stream. My first trade of the week was today on stream earlier. What are we doing here, bro?
Baby bush, bro. I think-
Nah, it should hit. Like, it for sure should hit. Key, alright, Key, I'm ready to long this. Let's go. I mean, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I like the long. Like, that's what I'm telling. That's what I think this is going up to all-time highs. That's where this is going, right? This setup was just pretty decent, and I only have a 5-point stop, so it's worth the risk for me. It's $100. Like, it's worth it. And then maybe if somehow like this is a top tick for a retracement, I would like to take longs. Like, I prefer longs. I don't prefer shorts at all. This is the only short that I'm gonna try in this entire leg. The only short. I'm not trying any other short. That 617 level that somebody who was talking about who's talking about 617. It's almost there. One tick away. What's your trading schedule, Key? I'm here at 9 a.m. Eastern and 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Youth and QT Blazy. All right, your levels are about to hit. Let's see, bro. A+. Yeah, 617 just got hit.
Do we move our stop up?
No, no.
They trying to long that 617 or?
Ooh.
Yo, guys,
They're shorting. All right, the long bull. Have a good one, bro. I'll see you in the morning if you want to pop on. Sydney was faster. What is Sydney? What is that? Nah, this shit will hit SL. I mean, if you guys are scared of a $100 loss, just take it off now. It's only down 65 bucks. Take it off. I don't press the buttons for you guys, bro. I show you guys what I'm taking. It's up to you if you want to take the trade or not.
Man, when it dumps.
All right, it took my 619 stop. Watch it dump now. I've been on my own training schedule, been doing good this year, and finally got myself into my own house. Keep flows the man, bro. Let's fucking go. Hell yeah, dude. Big achievement. Let's fucking go. Just blew 5 express accounts, SMH, bro. Yeah, you get. I'm not falling for the rage bait. L rage bait. L rage bait.
No way.
What? It could. It looks dumpy, bro. That's the thing.
Bro,
like it looks,
yeah.
it looks, it looks, it, like it just, it looks like it
Still have
needs.
both of our long setup.
It looks like it needs a retracement. I don't know if it gets down to the longs now. I'm not gonna lie. It just doesn't even look like it. I don't even know if I'd leave it overnight. To be honest.
I'm gonna be awake early.
These are like sketchy. This lower one for sure. Like we're entirely too far away now. We're almost 200 points away from that.
The London Open.
Yeah, this buy limit is not bad, but I just don't know if these are coming back. This is the same thing I was telling you guys earlier when the stream just started. How I don't think that the daily is gonna go all the way down there and manipulate this all the way down. It just doesn't look like it wants to do so. It's literally hanging around that 614 entry still.
Still a hell of a room, right?
I got in short IDK or IDC. Yeah, I mean, if you guys want to re-enter, there's a re-entry right here. Feel free. I'm not re-entering, but you can if you want. Huh?
Still good, right?
Yeah, 1882, bro. You're way good. Yeah, you're way good. Yeah. That's on the first one?
Yeah, that's the only one that's up. Every other account's
Yeah. That one will have like $2,800 drawdown. Because you hit 53 on those. Yeah. So 50K is your drawdown on those.
I have hella slippage up.
It's Asia. You don't have, bro. It's not at 50K because of slippage. It's at 50K because you literally didn't take a trade on that account.
No, not on that one. I'm talking about these other accounts.
Yeah.
Because somewhere at 5. Right. 527.
That's, I don't know. Weird.
Oh, maybe. Oh, I know what happened.
What?
I was trading with Shinobi. He made me. TP.
Yeah, it could be. What's the TP for 614 play? 614 play, I would TP these equal lows. The 4-hour low is the TP for 614 play. Depends on how slow this is moving or how fast this is moving. We'll see. Yeah, yeah. Would you enter again if we get a CSD? Nah. No. What do you think about the people who hop on live stream just for the purpose of copying your trades and not focusing on the mindset of a profitable trader like you? I mean, those people really are just like, they're not really ever gonna make it if they're just you know, signal botting. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work out long term. I'm spamming. Who the hell are you? Yeah, this 614 still hasn't really done anything. Just kind of just hanging around this area. How long does the course take in premium? Genuinely, you could do the entire thing in a day, to be honest. If you lock in, you could do the entire thing in a day. There's 2 courses. You could do both of them in one day. They're short videos. Like, I don't make them long.
Short. Kind of crazy.
Yep.
24, 26.
Yo, where's the bro that had the fucking the 617, bro? Come on, dude, lock in. Nah, I think he's still in. Key, August was really good for me, but September has just been fucking me overall, and my psych is destroyed. I can't even pass evals now. When this was so easy for me before. Any advices? Listen, bro, the market changes all the time, bro. Like, month to month, the market changes. Like, you absolutely have to, like, be able to adapt, okay? Right now, your guys' main goal, and the goal, this has been the goal for quite some time, right? Even in September, this was the goal. But right now, the goal is survival. A lot of you guys, like, kind of misconstrue the entire goal in the markets at a certain point in time. Right now, the goal is to survive, which means just try to come out every day, either break even or small green. That's it, right? It's very, very fucking simple. There's going to be months where you guys do really good. There's going to be months where you guys do decent. There's going to be months where you guys do bad. This is, like, absolutely normal. This is 100% normal. I need you to understand this before you go into trading, okay? Normally, these are just bad months. Like, they're literally just horrible months to trade. Simple. I did really good all of August. In total, on all my accounts, all my accounts were up almost $10,000, right? They were up $9,000 each across 20 accounts. If you do the math, that's $180,000, right? 180,000, 9,000 times 20 accounts is 180,000. So for the month of August, I was up $180,000. For this month, right now, I'm down $1,000 across all 20 of those accounts. Okay, so there's gonna be some months where you guys do great. There's gonna be some months where you guys don't do very great. Like, it's just that simple, bro. You get what I'm saying? It's literally just that simple. So these next, like, especially months like this, you just gotta focus on sizing down and taking less trades. That's why people are like, oh, why don't you re-enter the trade? Bro, if I had a plan and my trade didn't work out, I'm not round tripping that trade. I'm just not. It's not gonna happen. I'll work out a new plan, a new trade if need be, but that's it. That is it. Like, I'll tell you guys right now, if today this comes up into 647, first of all, yo, Jack Trades, you've been on my dick the entire stream, as you guys can see. That, what does this say right here, Jack Trades? Yo, Jack Trades, dumbass. Read this out for me. 150 what? 150 what? What does this say? What is this number? 8,000, right? This was at 159, dumbass. So I'm down $1,000 for the month, dumbass. That's literally what I just said to you. Anyways, I forgot my fucking train of thought because this dumbass. But, oh yeah, this is what I was saying. If we go and hit all-time highs right here tonight, right? If we go and hit all-time highs at 647 tonight, what does that make tomorrow? It makes tomorrow like a pretty shit day to trade, right? Because we're at all-time highs. The daily objective has been met. We probably shouldn't be trading tomorrow. So you get what I'm saying? So I can go into tomorrow knowing that tomorrow is probably a day where I want to size down, or I want to keep my trades to a bare minimum, right? One trade, maybe two trades would be like kind of pushing it. So just some things to take into account. These are little things that you know beforehand, before the day even opens up, that you can use to determine, is this going to be a good day or is it going to be a bad day? I'll tell you right now, if this hits all-time highs overnight, that tomorrow is going to be a bad day to trade. Doesn't mean I'm not going to be here. I'm still going to be here. We might still be able to get some trades in, but it's going to be a bad day to trade. Simple, right? So am I going to go into tomorrow sizing up and trying to take hella trades? No. That's it. Kia bought 4 TPTs. You're going to make me giveaway? If you bought TPTs, you're entered into the giveaway already. If you bought TPT or Apex tonight using code KEY, you're entered into the giveaway automatically. Can you explain the midnight price level and its importance? Midnight price level is a true open. So it's just like any true open, like a daily open, a weekly open, a monthly open, the level has to get manipulated, right? We have to manipulate above or below that level in order for price to, like, you know, move away from it. If price moves away from midnight and midnight has not manipulated, midnight acts as a magnet and we come right back to it. Go back test midnight. Look at midnight the way it works. I'll draw it out for you guys here. This right here is midnight, okay? I'm gonna extendo clip this. Look at what happens. We manipulate it here, it makes it move lower. We manipulate it here again, makes it move lower. We manipulate it here again, and then it makes a big move lower. Where does it reject for FOMC? Midnight, right? And I can show you guys examples of this, like literally fucking millions of examples of this. Go and look at it yourself. That's why midnight is important. It's a true open. So let's say, for example, I'll give you guys an example, right? Let's say midnight opened up right here, this yellow level. Let's say this yellow level is midnight, right? And we start pushing higher and higher and higher, and New York opens up and we still have no manipulation under midnight. We only take shorts targeting the midnight level. Simple. That's it. You mean 12 a.m. candle? 12 a.m. candle is midnight, is it not? Midnight would be, when I say midnight, any kind of time that I refer to is gonna be New York times. Dude, what a move here, bro. What a move here. It's almost at all-time highs. Almost at all-time highs. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my limits now, guys. I'm gonna remove the lower limits. These are no longer any good. Limits are gone.
Let's see what it does to it.
Another account blowed, bro. Some of you guys, bro, I don't understand. I'll never understand.
Full porting. I don't even think
We do not deserve to go to RH, bro. We're not going to RH.
It's gotta come down at one point. You think so?
Hmm?
It's gotta drop at one.
It might, yeah. Do you have steak for dinner? Hell no, bro. You think Asia Open longs were a good one? 1 hour BPR, C, 5 minutes? No, they weren't. What's the S? Yo, you guys are such rage baiters, bro. Not even funny, bro.
Let me start looking at it.
All right. Okay. Plan here now is I'm probably gonna end stream. And I am going to be on tomorrow at 9 a.m. with my TPT accounts. We'll see what kind of damage we could do. Tomorrow will be eval only now with just the TPTs. Eval only because of this great price action that we've been blessed with and the all-time high level getting hit. So I'll hit you guys up tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Make sure you guys are here, 9 a.m. Peace out. Love you all. Code Keon TPT. Lock it in. And yeah, that's it. Goodbye.